Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Uh, got a 99 Accord that friend bought it, and then the head gasket blew a day later. So now here's the Accord. Motor runs perfect other than all the oil's in the coolant. And here's the JDM motor that we got from wherever the paper went. I don't know. I think it was called JDM Depot, like New Jersey or something. But here it is. It's a little rusty. It's a F23A. Seems like quite a bit of sensors and stuff we're gonna have to replace. Like, I don't know, we're gonna see if this distributor works, but the plug's really loose. And obviously intake air temp was broke off. IAC is pretty much broken, obviously. And throttle position sensor's pretty much broken too. So, I mean, I know when you order these motors, you usually end up with stuff like that broken, but this is what we have to work with now. So, a cat coming in here. So, obviously we need to pull the other motor and then start switching stuff over and seeing what will work and won't work with it. And so I guess where we need to start is start draining some coolant and then kind of go from there and see what we got to do. So I guess this is where we're gonna start. So this is for a buddy. So like I said before, I do side jobs on the weekends, so I don't have all weekend. So we're just gonna kind of start by taking stuff apart. We need to drain the coolant, pull the power steering off, pull the AC off, go under the car and pull the torque converter bolts because this is an automatic, and then pretty much just take off everything we need to. Like, probably gonna pull the distributor so it's a good distributor if the other distributor don't work, and then we'll be doing bell housing bolts, and then we should be pulling it. So I guess this is how we're starting the video. So being this isn't my personal vehicle, I want to try to do it faster, so we're just gonna stop here and we'll come back when we're getting ready to pull the motor or pulling the motor, one or the other. We're not sure yet. We're gonna get there when we get there. All right, see you guys in a few. All right guys, we're back again, I guess. So had to take off the dust shield type thing, power steering bracket, some motor mount. As you can see, they're all missing now. So did all that. Took off all our hoses and wire harness to the tranny, and had to go and pull all this off to get the harness out. So that's where we're at. I guess we'll just kind of let the video go and kind of try to set you guys up here somewhere. Let's see how it works. I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah, not really working. Alright, there we go. We got 2 bell housing bolts and exhaust already off. And then we should be pulling it. Here we go. Let's go. It's time to get greasy. Nope, not happening. What else do we gotta do, Abel? Power steering needs to be set out the way. That's all we gotta do. And then slide it that way. We gotta try
Sure
to
we
pull
didn't
it forward.
forget anything. Nothing's getting caught up.
I think all our vacuum lines are off. Fuel lines off.
Throttles.
Harness here, throttles over there. Oh man, I got stuck in there. Okay. It goes back up there. Nice. Hey.
We got the jack supporting the tranny down there.
A little bit, lightly. Damn it. I can't get in there. Come on. Stuff's just soaked, man. Make sure this is on this side of it.
I'll just hold it there. I'm sure it's not there.
Huh?
Oh, line up with it. Are you going down with it?
What? That's just gonna stay there.
So you're going down or
Up.
it's coming up? Up?
Or come out. It's an auto. If it was a manual, I'd say I'd have to pull the whole thing, but it's an auto, so we're gonna go up.
Yeah. So you just move this out the way. I won't get it.
Yeah, when we start moving stuff. Ah, come on. This hose that's soaked in oil just makes it so hard right here. Come on. Where'd my towel go? Can I have that thing? Yeah. Already put the scissors right here. That looks the same. And I got one more to get. One more to get. Where'd the pry bar go, Abel?
Back here.
Damn it. Come on. Alright, there we go. Last bolt. There we go. Let's see that thing. Is that cat or is that just the wind?
It's just the one.
Working a good bit here. Used to doing this at the bottom, Abel. Not so much used to this. Oh, I want to take that sensor off too. Come on, let's get that sensor off. I just have a feeling it might break it. It's not. That's all I got for an 8. It's easy access. Oh, it's bigger than the 8, that's for sure. Yep. It's
So,
that's big. Let's just check this one. There we go. That's the right finger off. Touch it. Here we go. That's 12. Ow. I guess the video is gonna have some not raw and some pretty much raw, I guess. Come on. Ooh, yummy. Looks good. Not. Where can it stay here? Set it there. Hopefully that's good to go. Just more stuff we gotta swap over here. You can put that back in the toolbox, Abel, please. Alright, let's see what we got here now for movage. Might be great. not sure where I want to go yet. It's a lot different than E-Series and stuff. What the fuck? That bitch ain't moving. Huh. Did we miss something? I already counted them. That's all there is. So what the hell's the problem? Here we go. You come up here.
You want to try to go up?
I'll do a little pump real quick, I guess. Fuck. Let's just see here. Let's see if we can get a little wiggle going on here. Pretty sure the starter. No, I can't go there. The starter off would have been nice for the whole point right here, but I can't find. Let me look on the bottom, man. It's gonna be hard because this cherry picker's really in the way. Yeah, but it's shit. Oh yeah, Abel, there's a bolt. Damn it, Abel. There's a bolt down there. So, yeah. Damn it, Abel. Yeah, it's 17. Fuck. That's why it's not just falling apart. So where the hell can you see it from here? I'm not gonna, it's right there. Fucking shit. How am I gonna get to that shit, Abel? It ain't that hard now. Is that the one you were talking about? Something being in the way?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a 17 with a wobble and an extension. Shit. It's gonna be a fun one. Guess I'm climbing under this bitch. I have to figure that out. Where can I stick this thing so I can see pretty good? Maybe. Go. There we go. Fuck, I gotta go under there. Oh, it's gonna wiggle wobble. Fuck. This is gonna be a fun one. There we go. Let's try it. Literally cannot see it. I'm gonna end up way out here, way too far. Damn it. Here we go. Something like this. I think it's gonna be a lot of work in there, man. Fitting this big old fucking thing in here. Yeah, that's not gonna sound fun. Here we go. I should have done this before we did all this. It's not gonna work. Alright. Awesome.
You thought you already had gotten it, right?
I asked you twice when you were down there. So there's not one on the motor, right? On the bell housing. No, it's good, man. It's good. Oh, there's the one right there. That's for sure. Huh. What do we got that's gonna work for this? And actually break it loose is the question. So I'm thinking maybe this. Where's the other gun? Right here? I don't think I can fit this thing in there. If I do, I don't even know if it's gonna break it free. It's on 3, right? Yep. Yeah, climb all the way up in here. And the axle's in the way. That's great. Come on. Ow! I did what you did, Abel.
What?
I headbutted the subframe or something. Oh, damn it. Let's try try a longer one. Oh, come on. Here we go. Go together. And we're leaking stuff again. I'm stuck. Ouch, where'd the hell did it go? Is that over here? No, I'm stuck. It's right under me. Damn it. What the hell else is under me? Whatever. Let's try this again. What happened? I unplugged the light?
I think so.
No, I'm kind of stuck under here, so it'd be nice to have some light. It's a black cord over here. Trying to get you some light. Cord over here somewhere. Just plug into the outlet thing.
This thing?
No. Big black cord that's sitting right there. Right here. Plug cord right here.
You unplugged it where?
Unplugged at the other end. You're just gonna keep pulling it, you're gonna knock shit over.
Mm-hmm. You unplugged there. Okay. Come on.
Oh, light. You good now?
Mm-hmm.
Damn it. Might do something, please. Alright, here we go. God damn, dude. That's a hard one, man. It just does not go. Give me that red hammer, I guess. See what that could do.
You want the 4-pounder?
I want my red hammer. Thank you. Here we go. Step. Line up. Alright. So now I got the bolt that Abel said he got.
I never said I had that. You asked me if I could see anything. I couldn't see it.
That was the point.
Never said I got it. I would have showed you it if I got it.
I said we have to get everything from underneath before we go any further. And this guy
You
said,
guys seen how easy you got that done?
we're good. Let me get the pry bar wherever it went now again. He's over there. Oh, I gotta take off the motor mount again. I gotta take off the motor mount anyway. Here you go. Here's some more tools. The light's dead too. That sucks.
Right there.
It's dead.
The light?
Yeah, it died. Died under there, started flashing, and then I was like, oh, it's gonna die. It died. Yeah, we got pry bar up here. Here's this too. There you go. Let's do this. Take this all back off now. Boom. Boom. Come on. It really gets stuck. There we go. There we go. Oh shit. Yeah. There you go. There you saw it. You go over here. Yeah, I should just pull it out. Pry bar. There we go. Okay. Back to the original plan. It's right here somewhere. That's where I was doing it. Oh, it just fell off, Abel. Just fell right off once that bolt was gone. It's funny how that works. Huh? It's not funny how that works. It's you. I didn't do the underneath
I
stuff.
didn't do the same. You're the one that got the dust pan off, or the dust shield off.
But you did all the motor mount stuff, which was by that melt. I told you that. And it's off. And it's off. Alright guys, here we go. Let's see what we got to do now. See if we can go forward or backwards. Or what do we need to do here? I feel like something we're missing or something. Something's going on over there. Something's not letting go. It's pretty much. Oh, there's the light. Pretty much free. I think it's just floating in there, man. See what we do when we go up. Now watch those sensors back there. Just really need to get it going forward already, Abel. Sure. Okay, we need to go forward. We need to go this way. Oh, I'm trying not to hit that. It's getting real close and it's hitting me. So, Abel, you gotta try to pull it forward a little bit more. This? Yeah. Okay, go up a little bit. Please. Oh, shit. Okay, go up. Up. Okay, up a little more. Okay, hold on. Let me go check over there. Make sure we're all good. And then we got stuff hung up somewhere. Okay, harness is going up, up, and away. Nothing should be hooked up. That one's just hanging out. That one went to the tranny. Okay. Looks like almost everything. Let's go up some more, Abel. Some more. Yep, let's take it up. All the way up. All the way up.
I'm gonna get caught on the power steering.
Okay, well, let me get this all past all these sensors and then I'll go over there. If that works.
If you wiggle it towards you, you might not need to come over
Okay,
here.
I'll just try and keep all this in its little areas. Here we go. Up, up.
Just clear the AC.
Oh, hook something there. Okay, that was just a hose bracket. Let's go. We're good over there, right?
Yeah. What's going on with this pry bar?
He's just hanging out with us, man. You don't like him? He helped separate the motor. It's a big part of this job. Are we good?
Yeah.
All right. Can we come out? You think?
Not yet.
Yeah. I think we're good. We don't need to go overboard, man. I just touch
We
the
want to clear
camera.
this.
Huh? We're gonna clear that.
Alright.
Let's pull it back. We're good. I think we're fine right now. I won't. Yeah, the bag's kinda can't go that way. You can go that way. Okay, hold on. Is it? It's right over my head. It's not good. It's swinging. All right. Let's twist it one more time. Here we go. Come on. What are we hitting? I guess we can go down there, right?
Yep.
And then we kind of move the chair, fold the cherry picker up so we can actually kind of move around in here and kind of get ready to start trying to pull all this stuff off. Let's go down.
Down
Huh?
with the cherry picker?
Yeah. Hold on.
Ready?
Yep. Okay, we go slow. We don't need to just drop it like it's hot. It may be a bad motor.
You want to set it on some?
It's, yeah, dude. Shit. 5. What do we got that we can solve this problem? Everything's too big. I need something more the right size. What the hell do we got? We've almost used everything. Fuck. Maybe that piece 2x4. That wasn't enough, so yeah, maybe we can make it work. Let's see what we got here. A little piece. Let's see what this does. So we need to get that flywheel off, so yeah, let's do that. Let's go something like that. I think this is about right, if I'm right, but we can't quite see it, so hoping it's right once we go down to it. That's not right. 2x4 is too far this way. Hold on.
Hold on.
Go down a little bit. Try to go a little more. That's not holding it. Yeah, it's gonna fall. Like, no? It's good, ain't it? Think so? We gotta pull the intake and shit. So I say we gotta get the cherry picker out of the way because it's kind of. I think it's not.
There we go.
Let me see here. They don't like that. How can we support that? Okay, I see. I think I got another piece of wood over there. Kind of bigger than I wanted it to be, but that's what it is. I think that should solve our problem, right? I don't think it's going anywhere, so just slow it down. So we can kind of get the cherry picker out the way. Alright. Fold your leg up. All this stuff here. And I can kind of. Oh shit. I don't know why you did that.
To fold my leg up.
I can fold mine, I think. So, come on. Yeah, whoa. I barely fit. Guess we try to do the best we can. Alright guys, well, it's out. Only had to go find one bolt for the bell housing, but it's out now, so now we get to take the intake off of here, put it on here, pull all these extra parts and manifold off, and try to run the distributor. So guess that's about it for doing that. We're maybe gonna mess with this, but probably tomorrow we'll try to finish completing the motors, I guess, probably. So they're out. That was kind of our day. Kind of sucked. It was not the whole plan, but it's what it is. like, subscribe. If you guys want more detail on stuff, just comment in the comment. I guess everybody have a great night, and comment, subscribe, like, all would be cool. Have a great night.